Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Black Swoosh transitions in CapCut. So if you want to add that smooth and stylish Black Swoosh transitions to your edits, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create the viral swoosh effect in CapCut to make your videos look cinematic and seamless. So here what you need to do first is of course start on new project and then choose your videos or photos. Here I'm going to just use photos for an example. Let's say I'm going to just add this 4. You can tap on add and you can set each durations for the clips 0.8 seconds, so trim all to 0.8 like this. Last one. Okay, after you set all the durations the same, now you can just tap on this transitions box and then click on the search column at the top and search for the black fade transition. This one. Click on it and apply it to all of the clips. Okay, now click on the check icon and you can click on the second clip or the first clip, sorry. Go to animation and under the in category find the swoosh animations and you can apply it to all of your clips. So find swoosh. Okay, this one's right here. Set it to around 0.5 seconds. Okay, apply it to all of the clip. So just repeat the same steps for all the clips. Okay, so I've already applied the swoosh animation for all the clips. And now you can just preview the result. Here is the Black Swoosh transition. So if you want to make it more dynamic, you can add music or audio to match this movement of the clips. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.